So when we started 40 years ago, we had one product and it just continued to grow. But we stayed in our lane. We always wanted to make sure it was something for a tire shop or a gas station. We added equipment, tire changers, balancers, lug nuts. A few years ago when we decided to go out into the field and take our orders on devices and then send them into the warehouse, we needed to find a system here, but at the same time, the girls in the office wanted to update their system. Great Plains was sunsetting, so we were trying to find two systems at the same time.
One of the biggest challenges with Great Plains was it wasn't as easy to connect to it. It was on-premise software.
Firstly, it was difficult to navigate, not the most user-friendly, and also running through the processes, it just seemed a little clunky. If you need to do something on the purchasing side or the receiving side, it wasn't easy to navigate between the two.
You had to really know what tables you were looking for, what fields you were looking for. You had to really know what you were doing to pull that data out. So it wasn't easy.
With Acumatica, we've been able to find reports that we didn't have before. It lays out what our salesmen are doing, most popular items, our profit margins.
Yeah, the global search is nice because we use an item number, but then we also have a vendor item number, and a lot of times our customers will reference that vendor item number. So that makes it really convenient when you're looking for things, especially if the customer gave you one.
We had the FedEx database, we had the UPS database, we had the Great Plains database. What is wonderful about Acumatica is not only is there just one database, but now with the shop for rates integrating, you can see exactly this is the carrier that's going to be best for this package. And so that has allowed us a lot of time saving.
When we were using our older system, like a really busy day for shipping as far as packages that we got out, if we had the full crew working on that, 30 was doing really good. Now we've almost hit 200 in a day. That obviously reflects Acumatica, how it's enabled us to be more efficient.
AdSeries has been our reseller from the beginning. They're very friendly, they're very personable, they really know what they're doing, and on top of it, I think they truly care about you as a person.
We knew out of the gate Acumatica, with its strong distribution foundation, was going to be a great solution for them. So the ability to reduce shipping times by 50%, reduce their invoicing time from shipment by 75%, being able to close their month-end books 30 minutes instead of days were huge factors.
The functionality at the price point was amazing.
It's very easy to learn, to use, to navigate, so it was a very seamless change, you could say.
Acumatica gives us a competitive edge because we're able to see what's needed in the field.
I have used other software, I have taught other software. Acumatica by far is superior.